Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSIM that will work in Pakistan. The link and coupon will be in the description, alright? Alright, and open description and click on link and open Pakistan page. Open this page and high-speed 4G, 5G data, no downloads, registration, keep your WhatsApp number, sorry, and instant activation under 5 minutes. Alright, and choose data type unlimited or fixed. I recommend unlimited and choose a speed plane, light or plus. I recommend plus and select your days. I select 30 days and click on buy it now. Open new page and click on this and write RAM tips. Click on apply. And this order discount very good, and click on Google Pay and buy eSIM or write email address and write payment and write billing address. Alright, and click on pay now and open new page and buy eSIM and send your email address, QR code eSIM and instruction activation, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me.